going to do some operations with rationals. If you take a look at the first example there, it's multiplying two fractions. When you multiply fractions, you just go straight across the numerator times the numerator. So 2 times 3 is 6. And the denominator times the denominator. 5x times 2 is 10x. You should simplify if you can. 6/10 you could type in and hit math, enter in your calculator. Or, we know that 2 goes into 6 3 times. 2 goes into 10 5 times. So our simplified answer is 3 over 5x. The second example is dividing a fraction by a fraction. When you divide fractions, you take the top fraction, or in this case the first fraction, and multiply by the reciprocal of the second fraction. So we're going to multiply by 2/3. Now it becomes just like example 1. We're going to multiply straight across. 2 times 2 is 4. 5x times 3 is 15x. 4/15 cannot be reduced any farther, so that's our answer. The last one, the most fun, is when we get to create a common denominator. You can't add and subtract fractions unless you have a common denominator. 5x and 2. Well, I think 10x would probably be a good choice for a common denominator. So that means that we need to change this to a 2x, so it needs to be multiplied by 2, to make it a 10x. What we do to the top, we have to do to the bottom. The next fraction, I want to make that into a 10x, so I need to multiply by 5x. What I do to the bottom, I have to do to the top. So let's see what we've got. 4 over 10x plus 15x over 10x. We have created common denominators, so we're just going to add across the top. Numbers and x's, they're not like terms, so we have to leave it 4 plus 15x, and our 10x that we created we'll write once.